Hi, friends! Welcome back to Piper's Snack and Say. I'm Piper the Cat, here with a power-packed snack, a speedy, smart word, and ideas that roll. Today's theme, pedal power and tasty turns. Snack fact. Fuel for the ride. Bike riders need energy, just like a car needs fuel. Healthy snacks with fiber and protein help your body keep going strong. Try apple slices with peanut butter, a banana, or a mini granola bar before a ride. They're easy to pack, quick to eat, full of the energy your muscles love. Time for Piper's mini recipe. Let's make snack wheels. Take round foods and build your own edible bike wheels. You'll need a round rice cake or apple slice, a circle of peanut butter, yogurt, or hummus. Add small round toppings like sliced grapes, blueberries, or carrot coins. Sprinkle a few crushed pretzels on top for extra crunch. It's a delicious circle of energy. Our word of the day is momentum. Say it with me. Momentum. It means the force that keeps something moving after it starts. Like when your bike keeps going downhill, even if you stop pedaling. When you're learning something new, momentum helps you keep going when you feel stuck. Start small and roll forward. Want to learn more about biking fun, road safety, and how to ride smart? Check out our book, Bike Smart. It's full of facts, coloring pages, and fun ideas to help you pedal through your next adventure. And don't forget, download your free printable activities at EduColorPress.com. That's it for today's Snack and Say. Whether you're building snack wheels or building momentum, stay curious, stay active, and always keep your snacks handy. See you next time for more food, facts, and fun.